Hello YouTubers and YouTubies. Today we're working on a 2006 Lincoln Town Car. We're going to be programming some remotes for it. What you're going to need for this process is your ignition key and any remotes that you want to program to your vehicle. Now, this procedure is pretty simple, but there are kind of a few steps to it. This will work for 2004 through 2011, I believe, on the Lincoln Town Car, actually the Mustang, the Blackwood Lincoln, and several other Lincolns. But you'll have to go online to find out if it'll fit yours. This will not work for the Crown Victoria. Real similar process for the Crown Victoria, but not exactly the same. To complete this process, what you want to do is cycle the locks, then insert your ignition key, and you're going to cycle it 8 times to the run position and off within 10 seconds, ending with it in the run position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You hear the lock cycle? That means it's in programming mode. Now you have to press the lock button on each remote within 20 seconds per remote, and then you're all set. And then what you have to do is turn off the car, remove the key, and you're all set. So now let's test them. You got the first remote. It works. Second remote. You're all set. Now these remotes, you can tell, are not identical. They're slightly different, but it doesn't matter. There's several years that use this style. You can buy them on eBay, you can pick them up off the street, you can buy them on Amazon, or you can get them from an old vehicle. I had a vehicle I junked, and so I had an extra remote, so I just wanted to program them because the Lincoln only came with one. So that's it for the 2006 Lincoln Town Car remote programming. For the Crown Victorias, and this is going for a lot of years, like the I want to say 99 through probably 2011 on the Crown Victoria. Again, you'll have to look it up online, but the procedure for that is you cycle the doors, locks, then you cycle the ignition 4 times within 3 seconds, ending in the run position, then program your remotes. Hope that you find this video helpful. Please like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for checking out my videos. Hope you have a great day.